Hey guys, it's Kyler, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get beta access to Valorant. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the link that I've left in the description. That will bring you to riotgames.com. Then scroll down and click on Valorant. And then you're going to need to log in. So I already have an account, so I can go ahead and sign in, but you can also just make an account right here. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in and put in my login info. Okay, so I've just logged in. Now I'm going to click on check your status, and then we need to link our Twitch account. So if I go ahead and head over to Twitch, go ahead and click on your profile picture in the top right, then go to settings, connections, and then scroll down and make sure that your Riot Games is connected. So if you don't already have it connected, it'll show up right here, and all you have to do is click connect. And then after that, just like it says, you need to watch Valorant streams that have drops enabled. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Go ahead and go to browse, then click on Valorant, and then all the streams that have drops enabled will say it in the title. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this one, and then just by watching this stream, and make sure you actually have your sound on if you're watching it, so it actually counts as watching the stream. But now that I'm watching it, I am eligible to get an access key. So when I actually get one, it will show up right here in the notifications tab, but it can actually take quite a while to get one since there's so many viewers. So I'll go ahead and put up a notification on screen so you guys can see what it looks like if you actually get the Valorant beta access key, but you're probably going to have to wait quite a while to get it. So that is how you guys get the beta access key, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If it helped you, please leave a like or subscribe. It really helps. But that's going to be it for me, and I will see you guys in the next one.